Hi guys, I'm Olivia. I'm at the Prima RV parts store, and today we are featuring our Weekend Warrior kit. It's a big box. It's a cheaper option rather than going out and buying each individual item separately. We have two 10-foot sewer hoses. It also will come with some wheel stackers, which is also a pretty good deal. 2 packs of marine biograde toilet paper. We also have some gloves, some black tank cleaner. Also, we have 2 hoses. So basically everything to get y'all started off. So once you buy this, y'all all set and y'all can go off to the